5 powerful memory hacks you need to know. Have you ever wondered why you can remember song lyrics from years ago but struggle to recall what you studied yesterday? The secret lies in how our brains store and retrieve information. In this video, we'll uncover 5 powerful memory techniques that will boost your learning and recall ability. Let's dive in. Spaced repetition. Have you ever remembered a song you haven't heard in years? That's spaced repetition at work. Instead of cramming all your study material in one go, spread it out over time. For example, if you're learning a new language, review vocabulary every day for a week, then every other day, and soon just once a week. By doing this, you reinforce the information in your brain, making it easier to recall. Active recall. Think of your brain like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. One of the best ways to strengthen memory is through active recall. Instead of just reading your notes, explain concepts in your own words, or try answering questions without looking. This process strengthens neural pathways, improving long-term retention. After this video, try closing your eyes and recalling the key points. You'll be surprised at how much you remember. The memory palace. Your brain loves locations. You can probably remember the layout of your childhood home better than last week's grocery list. Use this to your advantage by creating a memory palace. Imagine placing different pieces of information in different rooms of your house. Then when you need to recall them, mentally walk through the rooms and retrieve the details. This technique is great for presentations, speeches, or studying. Chunking. Ever tried memorizing a long phone number but found it overwhelming? That's because our brains prefer grouping information into chunks. Instead of memorizing a 12-digit number, break it into 4 smaller chunks, just like how phone numbers are structured. This method makes large amounts of data easier to process and remember. Visualization. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and your brain loves visuals. Creating a vivid image in your mind helps with recall. For example, if you're trying to remember someone's name, picture them holding an object that starts with the same letter as their name. This makes it easier to retrieve the information later. Conclusion. Now that you know these 5 powerful memory hacks, don't just watch. Start practicing. Implement them into your daily routine and watch your memory improve. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more brain-boosting tips, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.